everybody. When I'm editing this video, I'm assuming I'm gonna put the shopping clip before this. So thank you for coming back and checking out what I picked up during my shopping trip. And it's a few shopping trips I'm gonna combine. I'm out of breath. I just ran up the stairs. But yeah, so anyways, these are the items I picked up. So first one would be this Dior. Every holiday season they come out with their makeup line and these super cute packaging. So this was actually inspired by my fellow YouTuber here. If you're not subscribed to her, I'll link her channel down below, and I'll put her handle right here. But she did a video about these and I was like, oh my gosh, that's so cute. But last year, so anyways, every season, like I said, so last year this is the one that they came out with, and this is the lipstick case. So it looks like Tabby also has created a video like this. She turned hers into a belt bag. So this is a lipstick and these are the inserts that you put inside. So for example, this is the lipstick. It currently has one already inside, but you just pop this thing out and you grab the other ones in here if you want the bigger size, which is this one, and this one you just pop it off like that. But yeah, these are really pretty colors. As you can tell, I haven't used them because this is so bad, but I did purchase them with the intent of this as a clutch, which I've never recently had an event that I needed a clutch, but it's just so cute. And I also was thinking about using it as a belt bag like Tabby did, but I just haven't. So cute. I love it. So I actually like this pattern better than the first one and this season. The first one was just Dior, I think, and it was in silver. But as you guys know, I'm more of a gold person, so I did love this. And it had like some writings on it. Bliss, faith, luck, fame, love, thrill. So cute. Okay, going back to this season, they have this really pretty like explosion pattern. So cute. And this is the Sparkling Couture Palette, Satin Eyes, and Lips Essential. So this is how it looks. So you have 3 eyeshadows and 2 lip colors, and this brush, which I'm most likely not gonna use ever, but these do come off. So I wanted to show you guys my plan for this. I'm gonna take it off gently because my mom might want it, or somebody in my family. Ugh. This would be so much easier if I had nails, but I don't currently have nails on. So I'm just gonna use this lip palette cover thing and just pop it off. See, it came off. Super simple, and it does say Dior on it. But I was thinking, like she mentioned, this would be like such a cute card holder. Would it not? Let me see if I have business cards. So here are some of my business cards, and I'm just gonna put it in here, and it fits. Oh, so cute. And it says Dior and it's in gold. The magnet is pretty strong. See, this is so cute. And I did forget to mention that the lipsticks do come off, and that's how I was gonna say I would use it as a clutch, because this little thing comes off. So you just, same thing, grab it. Oh no. And this whole thing comes off. See? You can put whatever items you need. Oops, sorry. Let me see if this will fit in here. Oh, fits! So cute. I love this. Dior, keep making these. They have gone up in price, I believe. since they first came out with them, because it was so popular, and it's that multifunctional, multi-use type of deal. So cute. Look, how cute would this be worn as a clutch? So cute. Just hold it like that. Yes, I love it. Okay, and then my big item, I went to Neiman Marcus because I'm stalking to see if there's any more 19 flaps. They don't. Both of my essays from here and Texas told me that it's sold out company-wide. So they just told me to wait until the new season comes, which is January, February. So I did pick up this item. Oh, so excited. And that's why I have no earrings on, because I just gave it away. It is a piece of jewelry. Chanel. Oops. Ta-da! And this is from the 20C collection, I think. Right? 20C? I'm not sure. But here is the SKU number if you guys are interested. Come on, focus. Okay. These are so gorgeous. So it is a pair of dangly hoops with a little pearl detail and the Chanel logo right there. You guys, how freaking cute is this? Ugh. Oh, so cute. Anyways, this is everything I picked up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you next time. Please subscribe. Bye.